In this video, I'm going to show you how to hang up call on iPhone with Siri. So if you have your iPhone Siri set up, you can easily instruct Siri to hang up any active phone call on your device, whether it's regular phone call or data phone call. To do this, all you need to do is go to your iPhone settings. While on the settings, scroll down and click on Siri and search. Then after that, set up your Siri and come down here, click on call hang up and turn on this feature. Once this feature is turned on, you can say, "Hey Siri, hang up." It's supported during phone and FaceTime conversation. So with this, when the phone is connected, voice input is processed on iPhone and transcribed and audio are not sent to Apple. So you can easily instruct Siri to hang up phone call when you have an active phone call on your iPhone. "Hey Siri, hang up call."
There's nobody calling right now.
You can see there's nobody calling right now. So if I have an active phone call, Siri will be able to hang up this phone call on my behalf. So if this is helpful, if you want to learn about that, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more quality videos just like this.